Hello. Today at Long Machine Tool Company, we have for sale a Chicago pneumatic rivet machine. This is a bench mounted unit that came to us on a steel table. At Chicago website, they call this a model 176. It has a maximum rivet diameter of 5/32 and a maximum rivet length of 5/8. And this unit will rivet to the center of a 12-inch diameter. And it has a 2-inch stroke and a 7-inch hopper. With the anvil distance between the height of it's 11.5 inches. I'm going to demonstrate it using the dual palm buttons and with the foot pedal. This machine is just simple 110 volt with 75 psi air pressure. It's just a simple 1, 2. There we go. And it's electrical. You've got an electrical switch back here that you rotate to go to the dual palm button. It has a regulator and a lubricator in line. So basically the machine's ready to go. You'll need an anvil and whatever tooling you do need. Chicago is still in business and they can provide all that for you. The machine weighs 200 pounds without the table and probably around 400 pounds with the table.